Okay, this is the last video before conversion. So just to check what's happening, we need to work out whether we've got a working application. So let's just run it. I've already built it, so I know it's working. So I'm going to enter my forename. And a key string. Okay, it's giving me the bad character at position 20. So it's called the caret, if you don't know what it is. And all characters are valid. And it gives me the data has been worked out. But there's nothing displayed here, obviously, because that's what we're going to deal with in this video. So let's just close this down. And what we need to go to is page summary for the definition of the page itself. And we've got two buttons. And we've got our back button. We've already got the name. So we need to add the click event. I've got that. And we do the same for exit button. And we've got those. Let's just go to here, F12. And we've got our two events. Now these are the events that happen when the back button and the exit button are clicked. So let's just do the exit button first. This is a common piece of code which will work in any application. Application current shut down. So that means that whatever application you find this code in will shut down when that code is run. And we're going to use the same as we did before with the navigation to get to page summary to go back from it to the previous page. So page details equals new page details. This.navigationservice.navigate page details. Really, really good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put some code inside our initialize the constructor. This is called the constructor of the page. But we need some just one module wide data item, and we've got that, and then we just need this summary. So we're going to use this summary to make the string that will appear in the page. And what we're going to do is we're going to do summary equals whatever we get when we receive the data. So summary equals summary passed. This is what it's going to receive. So we now start to use a thing called a string builder. And a string builder is a really convenient tool for bringing complex strings together and allowing a little bit of layout. For example, you can get line returns, new lines, and you can get tabs and so forth. It's not very sophisticated, but it sure beats trying to do this line by line by line. And what we do is we say we want a var, which is a variable, SB equals new string builder. So with SB, append a line, data summary, append a line, append forename, and then the value of the forename that's coming in from the summary. See that there? Then we add the surname, and then we do the username. Then we put a space line. Then we say the original to give us the original user string. And then we do the encrypted, which is just the reversed. And then append line, give it a score, and give it the score in terms of weak, medium, and strong, and so forth. So that's all we do with that. So let's just save that, build solution. And I've got build succeeded. Let's run it up again and let's see what we get when we try our data. Now, you will have constructed tests so that if I miss out a field, you get assurance that what we did in page details code is going to be caught when we try to use that code. Right, all characters are valid. I get the summary of everything that we've got. Press OK. And there's everything that we got here. And if I put these side by side, you'll see how that is constructed. So you've got this data summary, that's that line there, then another space line, which is that one, and then you've got the forename, etc. So I lost it. I know I've forgotten you can't do that without losing focus. And it's generated the username from P and M down to lowercase, then added a random number between 1000 and 9999. That's the original string that I typed in. And there's the reversed encrypted string. Isn't that a strong encryption? It's given a score by using the ASCII table to add up the value of all of these things in the original and given it a strong as a score overall. So let's go back, and we take it back to there, and we could do it all again. And we do that. Then if we do the exit, the whole application shuts down. Our application is complete. All we have left to do now is to make sure that we can convert it into the scenario, which I promise you, because of careful planning, is going to be really, really easy.